Micah. What do you want to say?
Happy birthday, Kiva.
Happy birthday, Kiva. That's right. Say it again.
Happy birthday, Kiva.
All right. And somebody else wants to say that. Miss Messy Face. Watch this. Stella's going to eat. Stella likes to eat her food. Stella, can you say happy birthday, Kiva? No. All you can say is, more pears. Okay, say I love you, Kiva. Okay, say I love you, Kiva. You can see my phone later. Micah, I love you, Kiva. Oh, almost. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Bye. Yes, you can have